I'm at the Fastenal store here in my hometown in Columbia, Missouri. This store means a lot to me because they gave me one of my first sponsorships, back when I was still racing at my local dirt track. But it wasn't until Fastenal became my sponsor in the Nationwide series that I realized what an impressive company they are and all of the things they do for their customers. At Fastenal, everything is built around the local store. So come on, I'll show you around. The first thing you'll see when you walk into any Fastenal store is rows and rows of products that you can buy right off the shelves. From tools and general maintenance supplies to safety gear and material handling items. And of course, Fastenal is also the largest fastener distributor in North America. So if you're looking for a single source to meet your OEM, MRO, and construction product needs, look no further than your local Fastenal store. What really makes Fastenal unique is that they allow each store to tailor its inventory to meet the needs of local customers. If it makes business sense, they can custom stock your high-use and critical products locally, so you don't have to. Your local store is also home base for your dedicated Fastenal rep, a go-to relationship you can count on to make regular service calls, rush over emergency deliveries, track down products, stock your bins, and go the extra mile to make it all happen. It's the kind of service and knowledge you'd expect from your favorite mom and pop store. The difference is that your local Fastenal store is backed by the resources of a major national supplier. That includes a vast distribution network that's constantly working to put the right product at the right place right when you need it. More than 2,600 stores, 14 regional distribution centers, and a fleet of more than 6,000 big trucks and local delivery vehicles, allowing Fastenal to move product faster and reduce shipping costs. Fastenal's distribution centers receive orders from surrounding stores during the day, then pack and ship them out at night. So if it's not already on the shelf at your local store, chances are they can get it there on a Fastenal truck by early the next morning. Over time, as usage patterns emerge, more product can be stocked locally and regionally to anticipate your demand. In fact, the majority of all Fastenal transactions are for product pulled right off a local store shelf, representing same-day service for customers. Having that product stocked at your local Fastenal store is key. The next step is having enough of the product when and where you need it in your facility. That's where Fastenal's inventory control solutions come in. Fastenal's solutions can range from a dock-to-dock program where product is delivered according to a set schedule, to a vendor-managed or VMI program where Fastenal comes in, sets up a custom storage system, and makes sure your inventory always stays within your targeted levels. Not too much, not too little. That might mean coming in once a month, once a week, every day, all the way up to managing a Fastenal crib right within your facility. Fastenal also provides job site solutions for remote projects. No matter where the job takes you, Fastenal can keep the product flowing. For me, one of the coolest things Fastenal offers is its automated supply technology, like this Fast 5000 vending machine and locker set. It's like having a secure 24/7 Fastenal store right in your facility, custom stocked with your high-use and critical supplies. You can set controls so that workers only have access to the products they need for their jobs, and you can track usage by individual, group, project, any way you want to see it. As a result of this accountability and visibility, Fastenal customers have been able to reduce their product consumption by 30% or more. Imagine how much that would help your bottom line. You only pay for what you use, and when stock runs low, your local Fastenal store receives an automated order, no stock outs and no POs to cut. Want to learn more? Fastenal can bring the technology right to your doorstep for a live demonstration. Call your local store to schedule an appointment today. As you can see, at Fastenal, it isn't just about the products, it's about services and solutions. Need bandsaws welded to length? Your Fastenal store can handle it. Same with tool and hoist repairs, custom fabricated hose, standard or special chain slings, cut-to-length metal, chain, or cable, and tool and cutter regrinds, extending the life of your cutting tools. Products can be custom packaged to meet your needs. And if you need help with product sourcing, just call your local store to tap into Fastenal's network of domestic and global suppliers. Fastenal also offers expert fastener support through their in-house team of engineers, from consultations and trainings to testing and assembly process reviews. One of the most important services Fastenal offers is custom manufacturing. If you can't find it on Fastenal shelves, they'll make it for you. Through its various manufacturing facilities, Fastenal produces more than 1,000 jobs a week, many of them shipped within 24 hours to meet the needs of customers. So whether you need machined, hot forged, or cold formed parts, Fastenal can provide a solution. With quality assured through Fastenal's ISO 9001, 2008 operations, and in-house A2LA labs. It's all available at your local Fastenal store. So if you need services or custom parts, just call them up. And remember, you can always connect with your local store via Fastenal.com, your 24/7 source for hundreds of thousands of products. Register with your store account to view your pricing and route orders to your local store for delivery or pickup. If the product's in stock locally, you can have it in your hands in a matter of minutes. How many websites can you say that about? If you have any questions about anything I've touched on today, just talk to the folks at your local Fastenal store. As always, they're right there to answer your questions and to help you out. Once you make that contact, I think you'll agree that the thing that really sets Fastenal apart is its people. Hard-working people who live in your community and consider it their job to not only look up parts and pack orders, but to really go the extra mile to help you succeed. The result is a level of customer service that's second to none. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to what Fastenal's customers have to say.
We sometimes have to work, in a maintenance environment after hours. One Saturday morning we came in at 5 o'clock in the morning to do a job and realized we didn't have enough of a particular fastener, and it was really important and critical we get this operation up and going. I called my Fastenal rep at his house, and he came back into town for us that morning, had them on the store shelves, brought them in before any other store would have been open, and delivered them to me. Very helpful.
We needed some screws for the exterior of the trailer painted black at the top, and we needed them fast, and Joe Chupp, our local rep, he painted them by hand for us and got them to us the next day, and kept us going, which was pretty amazing because most companies wouldn't do that.
Two reasons. One, they're right down the street, literally. And second is I can call my Fastenal representative and she takes care of a lot of problems and takes it off of my back. So she just tell her what I need and she handles it.
There's been several occasions where we've ordered a part and Mark has actually been on the road with those items in less than an hour. And to have that type of customer service is just unheard of. Normally we would expect 2 or 3 days to receive these items, and to have them off the truck in our hands within 60 minutes is just phenomenal.